Hotel Premier Abano in Abano Terme. Updated prices for 2020. Centrally located, just 7.6 miles from Gran Teatro Jaux. Outdoor swimming pool invites relaxed laps and sunbathing sessions. Complimentary private parking on-site. Drive-in, unwind immediately. Perfect for wellness travelers seeking thermal town serenity and spa access. Families enjoy spacious rooms, kid-friendly pool moments, and gardens. Road trippers appreciate free parking and easy highway access. Grand marble lobby with chandelier and striking central aquarium centerpiece. Neoclassical facade, symmetrical design, manicured lawn, picture-perfect arrival moment. Black and gold Art Deco bar delivers elegant cocktails and atmosphere, contemporary hammam. Heated marble slab, calming blue mosaic floor. Rectangular outdoor pool with loungers, shaded terraces, lounge-ready comfort. Blush pink velvet bedding and coordinated furnishings for boutique luxury. Modern twin and double rooms offer ergonomic workspaces and calm. Expansive terrace and manicured grounds ideal for weddings and events. Corporate retreats benefit from grand spaces, privacy, and professional service. Walkable to local attractions. Central convenience without sacrificing tranquility. Updated 2025 pricing keeps premium experience surprisingly accessible. Parking is complimentary, like a valet that forgot to charge. Pool feels like a postcard splash. Instagram guarantees included. Hammam and spa treatments tuned for restorative thermal therapy. Staff provide attentive professional hospitality with discreet, efficient service. Event planners and photographers praise the photogenic classical architecture. Family-friendly amenities and pool safety features ease parental minds. Easy parking and central bases make road trips smoother. Transparent 2025 rates, clear inclusions. Book confidently, no surprises. Hotel Premier Abano. Classical luxury, modern amenities, wellness-first mindset. Reserve your stay now and enjoy Abano Terme's thermal magic. We stand by these details: verified, current, confidently stated, pack slippers, sunscreen, and a sense of luxurious relaxation.